everyone, of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this OnePlus. First of all, you need to find sound recorder app and click on it. Now, just while using the app or only this time, click on Allow and tap on this switcher next to Allow System Setting Modification. When you're ready, click on the back button and tap on this blue button with a mic on it to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag icon on the left. And if you wish to end and save your recording, click on the square icon on the right. Now name your recording however you wish to, and choose save or tap on delete and get rid of it right away. I will go with save though. As you can see, my recording is here. If you want to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it, you can always hold it, tap on this pin icon at the bottom in the middle and choose delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!